Share the video, let the video viral. Share the video, let the video viral. You are all welcome, you are all good evening. I'm your brother who know. New generation prophet Atiti. Now me there for here gidigba. I don't leave body for his house. I stand with you here. I should not take come this evening. Better thing go to locate you for morning, go to locate you for evening. If today be your first time of coming here to come and see me, I'm seeing you. You are all welcome. May the days belong. Now me be my brother when don't know how to speak the pidgin English when he learn the pidgin English. I bet we could share the video make Vara raise their hand. So you are all welcome. If today the first day you are coming for here, press the quotation belt and press the following. I get that for YouTube, Prophet Atiti. Very soon I will bring the link and break it aside so that you people will help me to subscribe. We will press thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If your first time of coming here, press thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let the thumbs up be Vara. Let it Vara, the thumbs up. Let it Vara. You are welcome, you are welcome. Now me my brother, where they sell about my GT, where they lose the belly fat and lose the weight. I get them for different routes, where they sell about routes. I see the prayer for person if you need them, they say you ask, you shall be given. Nobody say you know ask, you go to do now you know. They say anything where you want ask with your mouth, not come with Connie. If you call with Connie, I know the answer Connie. Now this thing I need, you come directly. I go on as Benny talk. You come directly. You will see the benefit of the dose. So as I talk and they go since I get that for plenty matter when I want to talk today. First of all, I dey hear say some people they make who be those people they make so. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I was calling you quite long before. I was calling you. Call my brother. Tell my brother to listen. Call my brother now. Tell him to transfer the money to your account. Tell him to transfer the money to your account. Call him now. Tell him to transfer it to your account. So, una good evening, una welcome. Someone share this video me Vara. Topic what we want to talk today. We concern many people who want to talk. The topic, it make gang, it make bang, it make where. So if you don't understand the broken English when I speak, make you not verse. Because I speak Benin na my papa land, na my mama land. And they for bomb me. The time when I speak Benin, people they say ehbo. Since when I don't learn broken English now, Benin me another year ago. So una welcome. God will bless all of you now. Before we go straight to the topic now, you get one video when I forgive you now. Make makan, una go hear the voice. So if I play the voice finish, anybody will want to contribute, if he contribute. So when I don't contribute, I'll come make the final say. So as it be now, make una the press the notification bell when the press and when I share the video, make the video viral. I beg, make una tell you over here, you get some people waiting for America, where their head be like this. With their gang for Nigeria, and I know them they scream my page, or they scream my page, they block my viewers. So the best way where you go take see me again, send me friend request again, I go accept you. These people, they say na Russia, now they forgo carry people come where they keep people viewers. These people when I talk, so Russia, now they forgo bring people come. If they say they quarrel with them, say the bad way that they do, not good. They'll go, all those Russia boys where they train, they'll come, they screen your Facebook, they'll go, they screen on your viewer, not going to go, make the video not for the Vara. So if you there for make you press it Vara, make it Vara for me, make Vara for me, make Vara for me. So all those boys, you know, say any people when they bring for Russia, they be wizards. So as they control the Facebook, they go to come out the viewers, they go to come out now. I hear say some yesterday, some they call Ogumba say me block him. I hear say the other one say, well, I don't know what they call that down, whether an excellent, say me see block him, say one on block him. Now it's time they make they send the friend request again. So if you there for here, now make una they tell people. Where he say they know they see me again, they know they see new generation propheticity again, you know they do live video again. I bet make una they tell them make they send me friend request again with real account, not be fake account to, not be like people like Corey Toto. When I say make they send me real account so that make the people know. Say I did for time, make they see know say I did do live video. As I dey talk and they go since, when I say few days now. I see and say while our Benin people they quiet, where Percy come. Where Percy start say, me will not come Benin again. Say if we come Benin, they go kill people. Una hear am o, no be so na no hear am. Una they see all those presenters before. If something happen like that, all of the wrong come out. Since when this one happen now, you see all this swallows they hide. I beg. They say we will separate the wicked one from the evil ones. And that they take and they sing for una soul. Una wait day for year. Make una later day for una memory. Make una they put them for the side of una ear. The one way good, the one way not good. Wait till they try to talk now. Percy come out, saying if people come out, they come out, they go kill them. Me not hear anybody talk since then. All those fear, where our papa fear, where our mama fear, we not make the country better today. We not make the country move forward. As me don't come, new generation. I go they take it broken English, they tell them. Anyone when he see for their way, see for their house, their mind, he go they arrest. Now me I come for. Anyone when see the video for a house as I they talk to them, so anybody when I talk to, if I see my video in mind, go they arrest, go they change evil way. Una see an answer but Obaze is 4 days to 5 days, you know they see him again for outside. Una not the wash him. So me don't take proof to the world. Say that boy or but Obaze na evil. As I prove unto the world, you know say me don't catch a finish. Una see say come out against his 5 days or 6 days. I hear say they say one pastor where they chop bitter leaf and granite. I hear say that one come out, they want him papa, they want him mama. That one, me not feel they measure that one again. That one don't know where they pay now. So anytime when I come this a platform, anytime when I come this platform, anything when I they talk, muna they put them, muna could collect them. So make una help me share the video, make it viral, make this man and woman hand. If today be your first time of coming, as I talk, I never start the topic, because you never share the video. If you not share them, all those people waiting for America, where their head be like this, where they will follow Russia, they know if they screen my video again. They say that they are work, they say that their papa employed they come, make the screen people fly from they go. As soon as they plot toes up, as soon as they press it like it follow one, they know if they control them. They know if they draw the viewer go down. So Mokuna, they help me, they do that one. So as I come just now I can't see one video when I see. As I see that video, the video make gang and make con. Now so only my ear, no, nobody hear this one. Now I see one you can talk short part for inside. The short part when I want to for inside now, as I talk the short part now, maybe I feel your hand like this, so I go listen to the video where again before I come outside the video. But waiting and what can talk for now this evening, our people, our country people, I beg you, now Christmas they come so. Christmas dey come, New Year dey come. Ebabe baba mi po de oje. Merry view pon. Merry view bata. So as I dey talk and dey go so, I beg, if you be man wey dey there, you be woman wey dey there, I beg, make we adjust, make we change, make we follow the right road. Una wey dey for Europe, una wey dey for Africa, una say una be Christianity. The Christianity wey una go dey learn for the book of Jeremiah, may not know the Christianity. Me dey beg una with parable and senses. Make una adjust una way. Make we draw one rope. Make we be our brother's keeper when he dey for inside that big cave. Work una dey carry the waka. Share the video, let the video viral. As I see the video make me bang for here. As it make me bang, now I say I go wait till first so one you can take and pitch una ear small. As I want to take and pitch una ear so. Now be the bang with the video strong. As the video strong so, maybe I go come back or some other time or tomorrow or next tomorrow. I'll come explain and where. As I dey talk, they go son. As I dey talk and they go just now. Papa, you papa, we don't get more than 50. You don't get more than 5 pikin. You dey follow your father. Your pikin dey live for the same house. You mama, we don't get like 4 pikin. You dey follow your pikin dey live for his house. And you say you be presenter. You say you be director. You say you be me waiting up by Moshofino speaker. You say you be director, you say you be presenter, you say you be Moshofino speaker. You dey come live video every day, come they make it quarrel. Whoa. Person where you dey quarrel with, you don't know one for face. Now live video you for no one. What are you teaching the piggy? What are you teaching the son in all day? Now I say when I can't tell you now, as you be there for there, you be man, you be woman. Make us see your bower. Make us see your bower. You know what I think I mean. They say in our Benin parable, say Nedoga man useluga man mayaji. All of us make with the happy, make with the jolly. Now me I come for. That's why me I be new generation. I feel as I throw away this parable, so now parable I feel they throw away and now you wait with the look me, you say what this one to talk. Sit down, watch the video, where take and where you go see I'm saying. Something go there for inside where you go take. I beg. Presenter. Motion of speaker. I beg. Make we change our attitude. Make we change our attitude. Because anyone will not change it for attitude. If I hold on, I know they leave them because you know say this year are coming to an end now. 2021, I never get customer. Stoneless saying you don't get your own customer. You say may everybody go also for their own customer. Oh. Now so Stoneless talk. Oh. So 2021, now I say when I can't lay a visa down, I beg you, presenter, me the beg. You will don't get 3 pikin for us, you don't get 4 pikin for us. If you be papa, you be mama. Teach your pikin better character, not be the character where our papa teach us, our mama teach us, where we take the kill ourselves into day, where we take the kill ourselves into day. Nah, not because the teacher is the great, is the man, I said, Lord, not be that why you go the teacher because our papa teach us, so what could change? What could change? Now me I say when I come to tell you now small maybe if you be presenter you wash and now the thing go arrest your mind. Any I take talk am, you go arrest your mind, you go claim from inside. You go take from inside. So I beg you, now the way I will take to talk to you, now I can't talk to you so. Now no say me be illiterate, we graduate. Me, I get my result too. They say some people don't get their results. I get my own results. Literate graduation. Now me, I get my own results. Una know, the whole world knows me, I get my own results. They say some people don't get now. That's why I talk about this show. So I dey beg una. Una see our brother now, one of our brother now don't change finish. Una see I don't change finish. Una see the other one now 4 days we not see him for outside, 5 days we not see him for outside. If you not change, I hold you. The wicked, as I they give you, heart attack when it go hold you, maybe now mortuary you go wake. If I start, you not change for 2021, you not start to do good things. They advise your people, they teach the good way. You say now, fight, you want to see the fight. If I give you, maybe your heart go the beat. Maybe before your heart go collect, you go jump for motor, you not go know. Now I say when I come beg all of you now. Anywhere you dey, you be man, you be woman, you be moshopino speaker. As I take advice, as I take talk my own, stay taken like that. If you come out tomorrow, you say what is that what you talk? You say na Lucifer. You say na Lucifer. No say you must come out say na Lucifer. Me not talk say me not be Lucifer. Now Lucifer with the straighten people, me I be. I go straighten you. So I beg. I say when I tell man and woman. Now very short video. Now I want get. You know say me I not get topic. You know say me new generation Prophet Atiti I not get topic. Topic wey una know say me I get anybody wey not the good way. Wey not the good way for the community. Now be my topic. All of una know. So I beg you, make una help me to share the video, make it the viral, make man and woman they see am, make they go viral, make reach viral hand. I beg you, Moshorofino speaker, the disgrace where we don't give our papa land, don't give our mama land, the disgrace where we don't give them, it talk too much. I see they see some people now, they say our papa they do festival, and I see they see some people that they see the crazy for social media. I beg. We will change to another new generation next year. We will be our brother's keeper, our sister's keeper. Now I say when I can't tell you some more for inside with the same message. Now the other day my brother will go send his own message. Now I can send my own now. We know say I never get customer for 2021. Any customer when I catch 2021, now anytime when I take get another one, I tell if I'm una know say na so me dey do my own. As I follow that one waiting for Germany, as I get new customer, Albert, Stolen say no be me. He say Stolen say no be me with a one share the he say no Stolen say no be me with a one share the customer. So 2021 now, I go find my own customer now. I say when I contact the old presenter. Anywhere you there, you be papa of 3, mama of 4. Teach them better character, not be the character where they teach them for Facebook, but they teach them how to get the evil mind. Not be you go teach them all. Now we take day for the one we see day today where our place is never move forward. We never change it. So all those kill am. Make una all of una, make una deviate for his side. If anybody there, wait, don't for offend you in any way, in any other, please very find a way in your heart. If forgiving hearty. Let bagon be a bagon, everybody do their own. I beg, now I say when I can't tell the man and woman who. Because if I see most of this quarrel, all of una the quarrel so, work una the fight is so. Not be genuine quarrel, not be better quarrel. You dey see me for Facebook, you say what I talk, you not good. it go cause quarrel. No. All with trick when he there for his side. Now with the made the trick like you know see one pastor for our own kid that day. He say person enter a rest room for Germany, he come there for France. All those kind one with the quarrel they put the people with this poor community where they try to destroy person. We don't need them again. We don't need them again. So una go watch me since then when they come. I never get quarrel with one person. Waiting not good, now they try to amend. So I still can't tell you now. 2021. Any customer when I cash, that maybe a video go reach 10,000 video. 10,000. If pikin come, they'll come grow meet them. Una no know say as we dey do all those videos so. Now our generation, it go affect them. May God not let her affect them. The legacy your father laid down, the legacy your mother laid down, it will call they happen. So if you did there, you be sister, you be mama. You there for 40, you get the 40 days, 3 the pikin. You don't pass the 40 years. You see they say you now you want key for Facebook. Not be waiting good. You wait there when they write a comment too. I beg, make una adjust in our system. You know, go lead us go anywhere. You know, this comment, our children will come. Our grandchildren will come, they'll come, they read down. We are still teaching them the bad thing. Our papa teach us, we are still teaching them. And they talk and I know say some people go, they better them for mind. If not like people like Abbott, I they talk to now, we not say bad thing. Una go they give them, una go they give them, una go they give them. If that one pikin grow, you can't see and go good. I beg, we suffer the moon and take out the way I take give the message down, make una share the video. If you be that man, when they cause person, the day where person they do birthday, the day where person they happy where they jubilate, you they cause the person the day where do birthday, change it for it oh. Because that day na be a dog or it's not good to make you give the person cause that day or the day when they do your birthday. So if you be that man, where they cross person video, where they cross criminal, where they cross my page, and not cross your own, not cross my own. So my people, my brother, my sister, now good evening, now all welcome. Make una share this video, me Vara, me reach Vera hand. Now me my brother, new generation prophet Atiti. So what I come for today, now I be this one. I don't give the parable when I want to give, I don't throw am. So the one way good plus the one way not good, but not take her like that. My brother, my sister, happy Christmas in advance, happy New Year in advance. You are all welcome. May your days be long. As soon as I come here today, una come here with peace. Una still go out with peace. Anything we not do, una had it for. Anything we una de lugi, we una needy. I say my Baba Ogodi, Okute Dewe de Negworo, Oba no Metuan. The God when he gets pity for person. If this year we will pass so. Next year when you dey step in leg it toe, it go be the year of favor for you, it go be the year of glory for you, it go be the year of nothing for you. And so it go be for each individual. We go tell I see this video, exactly like a Abati take a eye, see him. You know go good because it destroy the community, it destroy man, they destroy woman, you know, and not like it like that. So make una share the video, me Vara. So una good night. That's why you have to drop and reach. Una good night so make una sleep well. The way I hear for that video, make tomorrow. I'll call talk and make una share the video so that if I come tomorrow, now 20 minutes I want you to talk and as I talk and finish, I share the stuff in the entire house. So from there, people go take it sense for inside the video. Now good night, una. So I take and ratio. Now good night. Share the video, let the video viral. Una good night.